Okay, the UPS man just got here with some of my goodies, and he brought my nzxt Tempest E8400 xigmatek CPU cooler, OCZ premium RAM 1066, Windows Vista 64-bit premium, Arctic Silver, and Samsung 2253BW 22-inch screen, CD drive, another Samsung DVD CD drive, and I already put my hard drive away, and a Corsair 750 watt awesome power supply. The UPS man just came home with my Rampage Formula motherboard, Asus X48, and Sapphire Radeon HD 4870. I'm going to start building in a little bit. Let's get started. Seriously, what the heck? Push that down. No, put it down. Down. Pull it up. No, pull that up. Yep. There we go. Nope. They're not. What? It's good now. Here's my thought on the website. It's like more unusual, it's very well. Shoot, I did not have a cane bracket. Where's my cane? It's right there. It's really very nice, you know? Yeah, creates a cool little effect. It's plugged in. Unboxing of awesome RAM. Hey, Kyle. Just pretty much CPU fan right now. But, yeah, nice, awesome goodness. Yeah. You can go in either one. Yeah. Is this low voltage right now? No. But. No, what doesn't want to go in? No, Dan, you need to put some force like into both sides. Damn. That's right. Let's push on the corners and pull in tabs. What do you mean? No. God. If you break it, sometimes that is separate. Yeah, so I'm going to do so. So let's do it now. I just don't like forcing anything. Yeah. It's scary. Alright. Which do all of them? Yeah, all of them. And I definitely shouldn't shoot down too hard. I don't think I should shoot down too hard. How much was the sound code? It came with the motherboard. What do you mean? He's from. Okay, so finish straight down. Anyways. That's okay, I'm gonna appreciate it.
Here I go. It's in.
How come these things don't match up?
They're fine then. They will.
No, that doesn't. It does.
It will then.
Sure?
Yeah. It's exactly like.
Oh. I got power.
Oh my gosh. Detect RAM. It's detecting RAM. Check CPU, VGA BIOS.
I got a beep.
You got a beep.
I got a beep.
You got a beep.
I got a beep.
You got a beep.
On your beep.
Oh yeah.
I got a beep.
Oh god.
It's working.
I got a beep.
Okay. You're not excited.
This is mean looking.
What does that mean?
It means
It's a
my
clock.
computer's working. It means it's working. Everything's good. Without the help of these two, I would be screwed.
Especially with that. Thank you.
I got a beep. Now how do I turn it off?
You hold it up.
Are these LEDs? Is that a power one going on?
No, that's the hard drive.
That's a hard drive.
Is it power?
The blue ones, are they on? Blue ones are on.
That looks so nice.
Awesome.
Alright, well, let's move it in my room.
Oh, sick.
Oh, it stinks. Could be. Turn on the computer.
Oh, I turned off the power supply.
Oh my gosh, Dan, you have to stop doing that. Your cat just off. That was a cat.
Alright,
Oh, I forgot to turn my surge protector on.
Oh my gosh, dude, seriously. I'm about to kick him in the face. Just kidding.
Is it on now?
Speakers on.
Turn on.
I'm gonna have a lid on it.
No, you might be right, but I would think the screen's so much.
Probably turn the power switch off on the power supply.
Yeah.
No, I turned it off.
Up is on.
Yeah, it's on.
Just try flicking it again. Power supply switch.
No, it just did.
Put it another way.
It won't.
There it goes, there it goes.
That's it.
Posted. CPU in it. Says CPU in it. Oh. Oh, that thing is loud. No, it's not. It went down.
Are the fans on top working? One of them isn't. One of my fans isn't working.
Alright.
What do we do?
Connected Molex.
We didn't?
No, I connected right to the motherboard.
So what do we do?
Well, it might not need it. No, it's,
it might just get turned off until
it's controlled by the motherboard right now, Dan.
Yeah.
Like the little blue lights. Kinda cool. Tells the time too.
Tells something.
Yeah, that doesn't matter if I can't get a picture.
Ooh, it's really dark in here.
Just check the power plug.
Okay, should I turn this off?
Yeah. It's down in front and then just lay it down.
Yeah, so we just got the
Yep,
whole
that's what
thing.
you want.
So what do I do now?
Monitor's
Center.
working.
Huh?
Or center.
Awesome is working. This thing is awesome and awesome. High five.
Thank you, Kyle.
Nice.
Windows is loading files. Oh, I love
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. It's beautiful.
Actually, I was thinking these speakers were gonna break my view, but
But they don't. Look at that.
Actually, it's pretty nice. I wanted everything blue to match these.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Here it is. There's a 4870 right there.
This is like a
Power supply on the bottom. The Corsair 750 also. 500 gig. What is it? Western Digital. 16 megabyte cache. 4 gigs of OCZ 1066 RAM. Pretty awesome. Fast stuff. What is this? A xigmatek?
Yeah.
Whatever. Xigmatek.
That's what's good.
Something.
Alright, just
E8400.
No, not yet.
Awesome.
Yeah, just give them a
And
minute.
then,
I saw something about
Samsung.
19 drives.
Did you?
Yeah.
oh yeah,
22.
and I forgot the 22-inch Samsung. Awesome.
Balls in your mouth.
Please wait while Windows prepares to start for the first time. Windows Vista 64-bit.
Please, if it makes you wait anyway. It should just be like, wait.
Because some people would. Oh, there we go.
This does have